Hi, Rising Star. I'm here today in our Piano Adventures book, primer level, and we are talking about the quarter note. So our quarter note is a little black note with a stem, and it gets one count or one beat. It's like a heartbeat. That's what it says up here. Music, like your body, has a steady beat. The beat can be slow, medium, or fast, but it's always steady. So here we have 4 quarter notes, and they're being represented by a 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, because each note just gets one count. Or we say ta, 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 ta. And when we play with our beats, it's the beat that gets our quarter note beat. So it would just be beat, 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 beat. Okay, so in your exercise here, what you're going to do is you're going to draw in a quarter note in each box, and on this line, the stems need to point up because those are notes for the right hand. Now here, you're going to draw in a quarter note in each box, and the stem points down because it's for your left hand. And then under here, you're just going to write in the number 1 because each of those quarter notes gets one count. So that's how you're going to do the homework for this page. Have fun.